जी तुमची मिटींग असते आसागावान अलॉंग विथ विलेजर्स ही मिटींगेची मातशी ब्रीफ करा.
This meeting was called today because of we saw whatever problem was happening in Anjuna yesterday or 2 days back. Demolishing is going on unnecessarily. Unnecessary road widening is going on, but without any work order, nothing. The work is being done, and it's being very destructive. We don't want the same thing to happen in Asagam. So for this reason, we have called for a meeting of all the villagers to take a decision what is to be done, how to go about it. So now we are forming a committee, and we want to proceed further to see what and the way we can stop it. Because whatever is happening is not being done not being done legally. It has to be done legally. Whatever you have to have some work order or something to do. The JCB is working without any work permit. I have a feeling that the JCB that is being used for this is the one which is used for widening, not used for underground cabling. The same JCB is being used for this work, which is wrong. We should use a separate JCB for doing this work, not the JCB which is used for underground cabling. And recently we have noticed also that there is no number plate on the JCB. So this thing should be done.
इश्यू आता सध्या तुमचं गावचं म्हणजे आता रोड वायडनिंग करता म्हणून इश्यू असा वर्क ऑर्डर दाखयना म्हणून इश्यू असा व इलिगली करता म्हणून इश्यू असा.
Illegally road widening. The road which is being widened is being widened illegally. There should be some notice, no? Some notice should come. Where is the notice? There's no notice, nothing. People should be informed. The panchayat should take action. Should take everything. Panchayat should be there. Where is the panchayat?
And finally पुढे जर रोड वायडनिंग कंप्लीट जाल्यार what will be your action on this?
I'm staying very close by. My compound wall, they're saying, is coming in the road on the way. But this is an ancestral house. Before the road came, the compound wall was there. It was built in 1938. In 1938, that compound wall was built along with the house. This road came after 1974-75. When I came to Goa in 1971, this was a mud road, not even a proper road. And now they want to widen the road. Every year they keep on widening. They're making it into MDR. Other road has been made an MDR from Sholim, Anjuna, Arpora going to Panjim. That is MDR. That has been agreed. This one also they have made an MDR, which was rejected because Sholim cannot be widened. Not Sholim, Kolim cannot be widened. You start widening Kolim first, no? Then you do this, widen this road. Because this road is coming from Mapsa, Kolim, Asagam College and Asagam. They should widen the road first, no? Widen Kolim, tell him to start widening from Kolim, then come decide.
So the work which is going on, it's forcibly he is doing.
He's doing it on force. He's saying he's doing it under CSR. Under CSR is corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, they are supposed to spend 2% of their profits. So that's what he said when I was in Anjuna yesterday or 2 days back. We will not keep quiet. We will take him to court. We will go to court. We are already forming a committee. We will take him to court. We will go to court. Because we cannot keep quiet. It will cost us a lot of money. He's got plenty of money to waste. But we will not keep quiet.
We have seen the portion of the work already has been completed. What has been done?
They have done from Anjuna onwards. They come from Dusasir on top and went towards Anjuna. There is a Y in Dusasir. One comes to Anjuna and one goes to Asagam. So they are coming from the Anjuna side.
पडले 3-4 दीस जाले आयच्या पासून पेपर में कोय जाल्यार कंटिन्युअसली येत हा की काम मायकल करीत हा आणि पुलिस ओगी हा सो म्हाका दिसता खंयचो तरी नया तुमच्या कावजाक टॉपांक जाय जोरी तोर तुम्ही खरेंच यू आर द मॅन इन युनिफॉर्म टू सेफगार्ड लॉ खंयचो तरी तुमच्या कावजाक टॉपांक जाय की प्रेस पासून आमकां पेटयता म्हणून आता वर्क ऑर्डर नासतना no order from the collector, no order from the mamladar, no order from the deputy collector, no order at all. So on what, or no number plate, so on what basis police and the security do it?
फ्रॉड केले हे MLA नी आणि पंचायतीने मिळून जर हायकोर्ट आणखीन धाडला जाल्यार एक हायकोर्टाचो स्टॅम्प पेपर एक सिग्नेचर जावते जे लेटरी कवर येता तेजेर कितें तरी आसूंक जाय आसली कांयच ना पंचायतीन आनी पंचायतीन हेजें टोटल क्लियर बरयलें फक्त हे रोड हा न्हू ते मेन म्हणून फक्त रोड आणि रोडाच्या भायर कोण सायड बॅग सोडला न्हू कोण सोडलेला ते आपलं धाड हेचेर पळयला हे हायकोर्टांच्यान येयला काही दिसना मला